my J-Hen travel crew. This is your boy J-Hen with J-Hen Travel and Services, and I'm out here for day 2. Just getting out the house, doing a little bit of exercise. You know, normally on my channel, I'm showing you guys all types of stuff that has to do with travel. But now with the COVID, I'm still here stuck in Milwaukee. I can't travel yet. And Milwaukee is still under the stay-at-home order. But we got lots of places where you can come. You can go biking, running, walking, exercise, and do some social distancing outside. As you can see, it's not no sunshine out here. We had some sunshine earlier today, but it's nice to be able to come out. I got me some new rollerblades, so I'm trying to stay fit out here. So when I get to traveling again, I'll be all in shape and stuff. But check out the views of downtown Milwaukee. And if you look to the other side, we got the great Lake Michigan over here. So while you're here at the channel, if it's your first time, go ahead, hit that subscribe button down below. That way you'll be able to stay up to date once I'm back to traveling again, and you'll be able to see things like different cruise ships, different places. I'll be giving out travel tips too. And while you're hitting that subscribe button, be sure to hit that bell on the side. That way you can stay up to date on all my upcoming travel videos as well. And leave me a comment down below. Let me know where you want to travel to once this whole stay-at-home order is over. And some places in the country are already like fully open. I think we'll be fully open by next week. I hope you guys are all staying safe out there and healthy. And like I said, some places are already like fully open in the country. Actually, most of our state is already open to do whatever they want to do. It's just Milwaukee. We haven't opened up yet here, but it's all good because we're all about, you know, trying to stay safe and healthy out here. But yeah, you'll get to see some views of downtown here, see what I'm doing here. Let me know down in the comments, what have you been doing during this whole stay-at-home order? If you're in the United States or if you're in another country, what have you been doing to kind of keep your sanity, to kind of keep your mental health intact and things like that? This is what I'm doing, enjoying the warm weather. It was sunny out, like I said, there's a few clouds. And since I can't be on no big cruise ship, at least I can come down here and see the sailboats, the tugboats, and different boats that we got out here. There's so much stuff down here to see that I might as well point out some great spots to you. So this place right here behind me, this is the Milwaukee Art Museum. It looks very nice. It's like one of the symbols for the city now. When you come into the airport, they have this symbol there. And if you've seen the movie Transformers, guess what? This is featured in Transformers. You know which Transformers it's featured in? Which one? Number 1, number 2?
I think it's 2.
I think it might be number 2. Whichever one has Chicago featured in it, this is featured in that movie as well. There is a fee to get into the art museum. I can't think of the fee offhand. Maybe I'll leave it down in the description below. But if you're ever down on the Milwaukee Lakefront, you might want to check out this art museum right there. And then there's also lots of things to do down here on the lake. You know, you can go fishing. They got jet ski rentals, moped rentals. They have kites, bike rentals, all different types of bikes that you can rent, ones that can fit people in large groups. If you check out some more of my YouTube videos, I do got videos of the bike rentals, the place where you can rent kites from. Also, they do things down here in the summertime too, like movies in the park, where they have free movies on a big jumbo screen for the whole community to come down and check out some movies every week during the summertime. But with COVID-19, I'm not sure how that will work out during this summer. Trying to think what else we can talk about this down here. Oh, Milwaukee is the city of festivals. So we have a ton of festivals that start every year in June. But this year, you guys know with COVID, all that stuff's been canceled. But they start out the summer. We have everything from Juneteenth celebration to Summerfest, which is a 2-week music festival that takes place here. That they have some of the biggest acts from around the world are performing on those stages, as well as like some local acts get to perform. We have every ethnicity gets like their own festival, from German Fest, Irish Fest, Mexican Fest, Italian Fest, African American, Afro Fest. There's so many festivals that we have here. Polish Fest. And then there's just a ton of festivals that takes place too in different parts of the city. So you guys are gonna keep moving and check out what's down a little bit further if I don't bust my junk out here. Stop right here. So behind me is Discovery World. Right there. That's Discovery World. There's a lot of great stuff inside there to do for the whole family. I mean, if you got kids that really are into like how things work, that's what Discovery World is all about, showing you how stuff works. And what's really neat as well, there's an aquarium inside there as well. What I'm doing, y'all. I'm just making some noise. Some of y'all out there probably can play a little bit music better than me, but we got all these little great stations here where you can come out and make your own music, or you can just chill and take in the views of downtown. Or you can check out the scenes from the lake over here. And one great thing about this whole lakefront area is that pretty much we have fireworks. I mean, each time a festival starts, we have fireworks that take place and go on. So this whole stretch of area right here is all great spots to be able to check out the fireworks, which often come from that direction over there. So normally in the summertime, it's packed down here when festivals are going on. Like every weekend, it gets super crowded at the lake. And in this area, because we're actually pretty close to the Summerfest grounds, you know, that festival I was talking about, that takes place right over there at that entrance. So let's go. So you guys, remember when I was talking about that big music festival that takes place every summer for about 2 weeks here in the city of Milwaukee? Well, this is the area where it takes place at, right behind this gate here. The Summerfest grounds, and like I said, it's for about 2 weeks. They have fireworks to start it off. They have a ton of stages back there, as well as they have the main stages where a lot of well-known acts play. Like this year, I believe Justin Bieber was supposed to be one of the headliners, but I mean, anybody that you could think of that's a big-time, multi-platinum selling artist, believe you me, they've probably played here before. So, and not only is there music here, there's also lots of food, drinks, and then they even have days for kids and families. And there's also other type of entertainment that takes place here too during the festival. And most time, I think the festival starts from like 12 to 12 p.m. to 12 a.m. at night, daily, during the time that the festival is running. Guys, like I said, there's just so much outdoor space here, nice bike trail, walking path for rollerblading, walking, running, and all that type of stuff. And I mean, it goes pretty far, and you can even see how much further that we still can go. There's even like some new private like little island areas that they've built down here over the years, to where you can go out and get a little bit further into Lake Michigan than we used to could back in the day. So let's go ahead and take a ride on across this bridge up here. Port Milwaukee, and there's different ships that can come in to the Milwaukee port, and there's also some like cruise ships that come in at least a few times throughout the summer from places like Canada and even from overseas, where the tourists can come and their ships can dock at the port, and then they can go out and explore Milwaukee while they're here, which is typically during the summer months because that's when it's actually warm here. But during the winter months too, they do have other ships that come in, like to bring supplies and things like that. And they actually have some special ships that go out and like cut through the ice so that the other ships can make it in during the winter time. And then one other great thing about Milwaukee, since we're talking about what's down here over that way, there's 2 clocks. There's a digital one, and then there's one that's non-digital. We might have to zoom in on that one, but that is the largest 4-sided clock in the world. So you might see some more 4-sided clocks in some other cities, some other parts of the world, the other parts of the country. But guess what? Right here in Milwaukee, we got the largest 4-sided clock in the world. Okay, you guys, so like I said, it's just so much open space down here and green space down here along our lakefront here in Milwaukee. And we even got, once you get to the little private man-made island areas that they've made, we even got some man-made beaches right here. Take a look at this. So it's lots of places to enjoy some outdoor time, some relaxation time, whatever you like to do when you're outside. You know, it may be like me, you may like to come out rollerblade, you may like to do a little bit of running, you may like to come out, play some football, catch, walk your dog and things like that. Or when the festival is going on, you can actually hear the music when you're sitting over at a place like this. You can hear some of the live music that's going on. So I thank you guys for checking out this YouTube video. I might have been yelling because I got these beats in, and I don't know if the sound, if my mic is going to be coming in through the beats or if it's going to be coming in through the phone. And I want to give a shout out because guess what, y'all? I don't got my Osmo pocket with me. And I don't got no selfie stick with me. I got me an actual cameraman with me out here filming me on today. So big shout out to my cameraman. He's helping me out here. Stop and go, point and click, point and shoot whenever I tell him to stop and click and all that type of stuff. But again, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for checking this video out. And let me know what your plans are for the summer with this whole COVID situation that we're dealing with. Peace.